Hey, this is David with Alliance Pool Works, and I wanted to show you real quick what we're doing today. We have a vinyl liner pool inground, and it has a section where the area under the wall has collapsed and fallen down into the floor whenever the water level got too high. This area has a lot of groundwater. So what we're doing is we're going to basically turn this floor into a dome so we can just get underneath. This way we don't have to replace the whole liner. We just merely need to do the repair work and then let it come back down. We're very fortunate this whole side of the pool doesn't have any returns or anything, and we've also gone and reinforced the liner by gluing some more liner on either corner of the steps so that it doesn't pull out, and we can be careful with our light fixture. But anyhow, let me show you how we're doing this. We're going to be using our Q-vac like we use for installing liners. And we basically just set it down inside, and instead of having the hose in the pool to suck the air out, we're using it to draw the air in, and it's inflating it up nicely. So once we get full enough, we're going to tank our pool poles. We're going to use these bricks on the floor so we don't put little holes in it. And the handles here are going to keep the liner from getting torn. They're soft enough. And we're just going to prop that up so we're not using all the air to hold the liner in the air. I've done that before. It puts a lot of stress on the steps and on the fitting. So about now I need to go ahead and get down in there and prop that up. Then we're going to pump the water that's behind the liner out using our trash pump, and then we're going to get repairing the wall under there. And we hope to be able to show you that also.